Here's baby Trevor, getting cooked. Gonna warm you up a little bit in the incubator. How you doing, buddy? He loves this. You got one of these for home. Yeah, move a little bit. Moving your feet. Moving your feet. You got the inky feet. Move those inky feet. Move those inky feet. Oh, you look so comfy right now. You're almost done. I'm gonna cook you a little longer. Warm you up in the turkey oven. Yeah. You look so comfy. You look so comfy. Booga booga. Booga booga. Nope. Like, leave me alone, Dad. I want to lounge. Sick as old man. Likes to lay around and do nothing. Want to move a little for us? No. I'm gonna feel your bones. Feel your bones. You're so skinny. You don't got no blubber. Skinny legs. Say bye bye.